Hi, Gareth from Port Michaels here, and we are on the Caribbean Princess. You can call it Caribbean. And we're on Lido Deck 15 forward. So there's cabins here. But if we walk a little bit, hi there. There's a door that leads outside. And it's early in the morning, but this is the hamburger place. We call it the Salty Dog now on this ship. The Mix Bar, Slice Pizzeria. Swimming pools, movie stars. If you go way up there, there's another bar right up there. That is the midship elevator and stairs. Of course, this is Coffee and Cones. This is where you can get specialty coffee. You can also get it down on 5 and international coffee. And this is where you get the premium desserts. Yum. Another pool. Go figure. It's, like I said, it's in the morning. This is where you can get your smoothies, right? So if you're into a bunch of fruits and vegetables mixed up, this is the place. Calypso Bar. This is the Calypso Pool. Calypso Reef and Pool. See, it's 10 to 7. I'm going to come in here. There's going to be a guy wanting me to wash my hands. I'm going to say, hey, hi. And this is Horizon Court, the ship's buffet. And it is big. And we have never not found a place to sit. The forward part here where we are, it's really crowded. But if you walk to where we're walking, I don't think you'll have much trouble. You see the food? See the food? See the guy working here? Hi. See the food? More tables? More tables. Now we have worked our way to the aft elevators and stairs. This is Steamer Seafood, which is a kind of a little restaurant at night, but it's been closed on our cruises. So more hand washing station, more tables, more food, cereal, meat, salmon, omelet station right in the middle. We're going to cross over, but we're going to go out the back and cross over. So this is the terrace pool, and that's Sunrise, in case you've not seen it recently. And it might be raining. This is Outriggers Bar. Don't think they're open yet. Let's go back in this way. And this is Plank's Barbecue. Also not open on our cruises. But you got some fruit here. See? There's like lots of places to sit. Lots of places to sit. And you tell the furniture's different than it was over there and up there. There is plenty of these coffee and tea stations. There's also orange juice and pitchers there. My guess is they're not going to use this side. Oh wait, it's set up. Let's walk in here. Exit only. Don't go through this way, it's the exit. Look, smoothies, desserts, more food, fish, repairs. See, tables and chairs changed. Look at these. I'm gonna go up, hi, to deck 16. We're on 15 now, remember? Deck 15. And we just walked through here, so we're not going to spend any time here. We're going to go up there. Hi. I do believe it's raining. So, movies under the stars. We're going to head forward. I think rain raindrops might be getting on my lens. Skywalkers is back there. Well, let's take a quick look. Running out of time. See, it's that place way above everything. Lots of cleaning and setting up going on in the mornings. Lots of cleaning and setting up going on in the evenings too, if you're ever here for that. It is hot and steamy out here with a dash of rain. Good adventure. Hi. Good. I'm going all the way forward, and they've got a fence across. I'm just going to briefly show you what's here. This door is automatic, that door you have to open. This door used to be automatic, someone's coming out it. Alright. This is the Lotus Spa, and if you go all the way forward, there's a fitness center, but you have to pass through the Lotus Spa. By the way, this is the Lotus Pool. On other ships, there's a sign here that says Lotus Pool, adults only. This ship doesn't have that, but there's the Lotus Pool right there. And if we go up, we will find the sanctuary. Let me show you the sign. Sanctuary. So this is where you pay. $20 half a day, $40 all day to lay on fancy chairs in the shade. Not waterproof though. We're gonna find ourselves out of here. See, fancy, fancy. I'm gonna go right in here and we're gonna wrap this up. So, Princess Links is up there, quick little golf course. You gotta go around. And Platinum Studio is here somewhere. Maybe here, because it's locked. So I'm trapped like a rat that I am. Anyway, let's go to Sunrise. There's a smoking area right below me. Grass of Princess. There's a wet paint sign under there. Anyway, so there's probably a wind noise, but from the Caribbean Princess, I'm Garrett, saying, I'll see you in the next port. Bye!